If Monday.com is giving you an error syncing data or updating a board, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix you can try right away. This kind of issue is usually caused by a temporary page problem, a bad connection, browser extensions, VPN settings, or cached data that needs to be cleared. The good news is that most of the time, you can solve it without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get started. First, go ahead and refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload to reconnect properly and finish syncing the data. If the error is still showing after refreshing, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable and, if possible, switch to a different network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try a mobile hotspot, or if you're on a company network, test another connection to see whether the issue is network-related. If the problem continues, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Monday.com and stop boards from updating correctly. Open your browser menu, click the three dots, go to Extensions, then open Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions, then return to Monday.com and refresh the page again. This simple step often fixes syncing errors immediately. If you still see the error, try turning off your VPN or proxy if you have one enabled. VPNs and proxy services can sometimes block or delay the connection between your browser and Monday.com servers, which can cause data syncing problems. Once you disable the VPN or proxy, refresh Monday.com and check whether the board updates normally. Another very effective fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can prevent Monday.com from loading or syncing properly. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard if you're using a computer. Then select Cached Files and Cookies, clear them, and restart your browser completely. After that, sign back in and test Monday.com again. If none of those steps work yet, try signing out of Monday.com and signing back in. This can refresh your session and reconnect your account properly. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary login session problem, and re-authenticating is enough to get everything working again. So to quickly recap, the best steps are refresh the page, check your internet and switch networks, disable browser extensions like ad blockers, turn off VPN or proxy, clear cache and cookies, and then sign out and sign back in. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the Monday.com error syncing data or updating board issue. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and lets me know to make more quick fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.